Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Klever beauty box. Now Klever is a monthly beauty subscription where you can receive a lot of different makeup items inside of it for only $29 a month. So it's an extremely affordable beauty box, and then like I said, they focus all on makeup. So if you're a makeup lover, you're looking for a makeup box, this might be the box for you. I will have a discount code listed down below along with the link if you guys want to sign up and purchase this box. But today we're going to do a full unboxing and we're going to see what we have in our newest box. So here's what our Klever beauty box will look like. Now this box does take a little while to ship and arrive. I have with me here the September 2023 box. It did arrive in October and I just got really behind on videos, so I didn't get a chance to put it up yet. So if you do order this box, you will receive the November box. However, you might not see it until the beginning part of December. So just keep that in mind with shipping, that it does take it a little bit longer to arrive. I don't mind that it takes longer as long as I know that it's coming, then I'm good to go. Now, I said it last month and I'm gonna say it again. This box is an extremely polarizing beauty box. It's the only beauty box that I open up where there's such a division. You either love this box or you really dislike this box. There's no in between, no middle ground. And I even see that with my comments. So sometimes it works for people and sometimes it doesn't. It doesn't mean that the box itself is bad. It's not your box, or it might be your box. So I feel like this box will work for some of my viewers, but I also know some of you may not enjoy this one, and that's okay. I have plenty of other beauty boxes to share with you guys. Thankfully, beauty boxes are kind of my specialty, so I have lots of other options. Now, one thing that's great about the Klever beauty box is every item inside of it has to be cruelty-free, and they do require all of the brands that are featured in here to be cruelty-free. Now, typically when I've opened these up in the past, they've all been sealed as well, but I've checked and every one of them will have the cruelty-free logo on them. You can also check some of them out on the Leaping Bunny website as well, and they've all been verified. So I appreciate that so far they are holding up to that cruelty-free standard. First item that I have here is from Ministar. This is their Glow Bloom Liquid Highlighter. It is a natural shimmering glow. Now this product is 8 ml. It is a full-size version and it doesn't state a shade name on here. Oh yes, it does. It's shade number 2. So you'll see that little sticker over here. It does have an expiration date listed, but it's far enough out so we don't have to worry about that. Now inside, this is what our bottle will look like. Okay, I gotta see this liquid highlighter. It's giving me promising gold vibes. So we'll do a swatch real quick here, but ooh, she's pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that color. Now this formula is soft, it's creamy, it's not sticky at all. It's very smooth, you guys. I think this would be beautiful. Man, if you wanted to do a costume or something that was all gold oriented, I would paint this on everywhere. That's how beautiful it is. One thing I do want to address is that sometimes I've seen comments where people are like, hey, I got this off of Temu and you can actually get this over there. You probably can. It wouldn't surprise me. Temu doesn't make their own products. They're just an online website where any brand can sell their products at. So it wouldn't surprise me if a brand would have their product on the Temu website and then also have it in the subscription box. So you might be able to find it there. I think the beauty of having this box is it saves you so much time from having to look and find these products, especially since this box is guaranteeing that you're going to receive all full-size products, all cruelty-free products. I feel like for the few extra dollars, it saves me so much time from having to go online, shop all over the website, and instead they just send me a box of goodies that are already guaranteed cruelty-free. That's just my take on it, is that it is a huge time saver. But if you are wondering why it's here and also on Temu, just keep that in mind that Temu is no different from Amazon. Anyone can sell on their website. Next item that we have is an eyeshadow palette. This is called the Dream Meteor Break Visual Boundary Eyeshadow Palette. So there are 7 pans of shadow in here. The name of this particular one is called Tutti Frutti, and I totally see it. And you're not going to have a mirror, obviously, but you will have this glass door on the front. How do you open? Oh, you open it on the side. Oh, it's like the old phones. Okay, now I get it. Normally, I'm used to like the flaps on the front, but this is on this side. And then this is what your 7 shades will look like. Man, that gold is pretty. Okay, I'm not going to swatch everything, but I do want to swatch this gold one. Look at how pretty that is. That is really, really pretty. We're going to put this down here. I do think this is something that you could build up. So it could be a lighter shade if you wanted it to be, or you can go over top of it and really build that color in. It's definitely more gold than we saw with the highlighter, but I do think it's really pretty. We've also got this gorgeous like green shimmer. That's also stunning. Let me put that down here. Here's where that green one will come through. So you could definitely build these up. I don't think this is the most pigmented eyeshadow that I've ever seen before, but I do think it would be really pretty shimmers or toppers. Next up, we have an eyebrow pencil, and it looks like we have this in a light brown color. So this is going to be double-ended. It looks like on this end, we're going to actually have just that clear wax. So you could actually smush this all on first. And then on the other end, you're going to have that spoolie, but it's a little bit more of like a comb. And they're soft bristles. They do bend really well, but you could actually use this to do a really feathered or natural look. I kind of like the comb more so than the spoolie. We also have a matte lipstick, I'm assuming is what this one is. So it says it's a long-lasting matte, and this is what it looks like on the packaging. And then on the back, it does have that cruelty-free logo. And as you can see, that is the actual cruelty-free bunny logo. So typically that means when they have that stamp, you can go onto the cruelty-free website and verify that this brand, this product is on there. Usually that's the only way that they'll have that stamp. So here is what this looks like out of the box. Very cute. And then like I said, it is going to be a matte shade. I like all the little stars and moons though. That's cute. So we're going to do a swatch. We'll go right above here. And this will be our matte lippy. Beautiful color. I do think that is really pretty. So I like, for myself, there's a little bit of coolness to it. So I do think that'll work really well. But again, it's not sticky. It goes down very well. It's going to be a very lightweight formula. This one I don't even notice. As I put it down, it's like, it's cool, but it's not a heavy formula. It's not like globbing it on or anything like that. So very lightweight. I do feel like it's drying quickly as well. I can see all of the edges are already dry, and it's definitely going down as a matte. There is a little bit of sheen to it, but not too crazy. Next up, we have a Rose Essence. This is a blush, and it says that it's a long-wearing blush. So hopefully this is a color that will match our lippy. Let's see here. Ooh, okay. So this one, it looks like something else, right? This is definitely giving me dupe vibes for Rare Beauty. I mean, I just feel like it's kind of obvious, just the look that they're going for here. Rare, it definitely doesn't have like a gold top on theirs, but it's just kind of got that look. So I do think this is probably a dupe. It's very similar. The shade that we have here is number 2. You have a really big wand. Now, what I will say, I have tried Rare Beauty's blushes. They are so pigmented. Like, a little bit goes a long ways. And one time I tried it, you guys, and I just looked flushed everywhere. It looked like I had a fever. So if this is anything like it, I would definitely say go light with it. You don't need a whole lot because as you can see, it's thick. Now, you wouldn't put your blush down like that. You typically are going to want one spot. So you're just going to go like that even. And then you're going to blend that out either with your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. You're never going to like layer it down that thick. But I wanted to show you guys at least the color of the pigment on it. And I do think it's really pretty. I like the color that they went with for this blush. So my next item that I have here is the iMagic Pro. And this is a waterproof eyeliner. And it's just in the shade black. And then I'll go ahead and open this up so we can look at it. But I think it's just a pot. Yes. So this is just a pot of black eyeliner. And then, like I said, it is waterproof. It also comes with a cute little nifty tool in here. So it looks like this. And this will actually bend open. And then you've got 2 different brushes on here for your eyeliner, which is cool. Next item that I have is a sponge and a holder for your sponge. And your little pink holder down below will actually hold the beauty sponge in place. That way, if you don't want your sponge to be sitting anywhere getting any dust, or if you don't want it to absorb any moisture, you can keep it inside of this little cup that comes along with it. Last item that we have here today is a mascara. This is the Lasting Eyelash to Cream Black Mascara. It is waterproof, and this is what it will look like here. Now, I'm pretty sure I've tried this product already. So I did an unboxing of this from Temu, and like I said, Temu does not make this product, but anyone can sell their products on their website. So this brand clearly has sold there. They've also clearly now been in this box. I used this mascara and I thought it performed beautifully. So this is what it will look like here. It has a super fluffy wand, which I loved because there are so many different fibers to coat everything with. It gave me really great volume. So if you're looking for an affordable volume mascara, I would definitely recommend this one. So that is everything inside of my Klever beauty box for September. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this box. What are your thoughts on all of the products this month? I gotta say, I like this one a lot. And if you're interested in this box, don't forget, I do have a link down below, along with a discount code as well. That way it'll save you guys a little bit of money. But I feel like 8 items for $29 a month is a really affordable price point, especially because you're getting makeup and they are all full-size products. And then, like I said, it saves you time from having to go online, having to shop, having to check and see if they are cruelty-free products. I just feel like all in all, it's a very affordable subscription box to let you try different things out without breaking the bank. And it's a little bit more convenient than if you went and did it yourself. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!